In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable the Google Lens search icon on Google Chrome on PC in just a few simple steps. If you've ever noticed that Lens button sitting in your browser toolbar and you don't use it, this quick tutorial will help you remove it and clean up your Chrome address bar for a more streamlined look. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three vertical dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu with a list of browser options. From here, hover over or select More Tools, and then click Customize Chrome. This will open the customization side panel on the right side of your browser window. In this panel, you'll see different options for changing the appearance and layout of Chrome. Next, click on the Toolbar section. This is where Chrome keeps controls for buttons and icons that appear near the address bar. Now scroll down carefully until you find the option labeled Search this tab with Google Lens. This is the setting that controls the Google Lens search icon in your toolbar. To turn it off, simply click the toggle switch next to it. Once the toggle is switched off, the Google Lens icon will disappear from your address bar toolbar almost instantly. There's no need to restart Chrome or refresh anything. The change happens right away, so your browser toolbar should now look cleaner and less cluttered. If you ever want the icon back later, you can follow the same steps and switch the toggle back on. So, to recap, open Chrome, go to the three-dot menu, select More Tools, open Customize Chrome, choose Toolbar, and then turn off Search this tab with Google Lens. It only takes a moment, but it can make your browser feel a lot more organized. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy Chrome tips, Windows guides, and practical computer how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.